Hello students, today we are going to learn a new topic that is multiples and factors. So let's have a look on multiples and factor. Before to start it, we will play a game. So here you can see that I drew a number line. So this is a number line from 0 to 20, right? So now I'm playing a game of a number line. Now if suppose that if I am standing on a number 0, so now I would like to jump on these numbers, right? So if I am standing on the number 0, suppose that I am standing on a number 0, then I would like to take a 2 steps, because if you can jump so long, then you can take a step. I want to jump only the 2 steps. I want to take only the 2 steps to jump, and I come on 2. If I'm taking the 1 step, then I come on 2, right? I have started from 0. When I was starting jumping, then I come on 2. After it, again, I take one more step, then I come on 4. Then when I jumped and covering the same gap, then I jump on the number 6. When again I have jumped and I'm keep on jumping and covering the same gap, and I'm keep on jumping till the number 20. So what I'm getting over here, and if I'm jumping and covering and taking the two steps, then I'm coming on 8, then 10, then 12, then 14, then 16, then 18, and then 20. So every time taking the same step and jumping after two numbers, and what I am getting over here, I got the number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20 after taking two steps. So it means that I am every time I am covering the same gap, and we am covering the gap of 2 only. From 0 to 2, I am covering the gap of 2. From 2 to 4, again I am covering the gap of 2. And from 2 to 6, again I am covering the gap of 2. From 6 to 8, again I am covering the gap of 2. From 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18, and 18 to 20. In the same way, every time I'm covering the same gap, that is a gap of 2 only. So what are these from 0 to 20? What are these numbers? These all numbers comes in the table of 2. Whenever you are covering the same gap and it coming on the table of that number, right? So these are the, I'm covering the gap of 2. It means that these numbers comes in the table of 2. So these are nothing but multiples of 2. These are the multiples of 2. For example, now if I am, now I will jump so long. No, now I am jumping from the number 0 again, and now last time I have covered the gap of 2. Now I will cover the gap of 5 now. Now I would like to jump from 0, and when I covered the 5 steps, I come on the number 5. I come on the number 5. When again I have taken the one more step, then I come on the number 10. Then again I take a one more jump, then I reached on the number 15. Then again I have taken a one more step, then I come on the number 20. So after taking the 4 steps, I reached from 0 to 20. So what are these now? So it means that every time I'm covering the gap of 5. So from 0, if I'll count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then I reach on 5. So it means that every time I'm covering the gap of 5 to reach from 0 to 5. So again, I have covered the gap of 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here I have covered the gap of 5 and then I come on the number 10. In the same way, I have covered the gap of 5 again and come on the number 15. Again, I have covered the same gap and I come on 20. So every time I am covering the same gap, as from jumping from 0, my height is not increasing as my steps are not increasing, and it will remain same after taking this 5 steps. It will remain same. So it means that every time I am getting the multiples of 5 after taking 5 steps more, I am getting the multiples of 5, because all 5, 10, 15, 20 comes in the table of 5. So it means that these are the multiples of 5, right? Now, what are the multiples? A multiple is formed by multiplying a given number by the counting numbers. What are the counting numbers? Counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So what does the statement is saying? When you will take any number and if you are multiplying with its counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you will get its product. After multiplying it, you will get its product. That products will give you a multiples of the given number, right? So let's have a look on these, the list of the multiples of 4. So here we have a multiple of 4. I want to write the multiple of 4. So firstly I have to write 4 ones are 4, because I have to multiply the given number with a counting number starting from 1. So I have multiplied 4 by 1 to get its product 4. Then the same number 4 I have multiplied with the second number, and you will get 4 into 2 is 8. Then I have multiplied the same number 4 with the third number, that is 3. 4 multiplied by 3, this will give you 12. Then 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, and 4 6 are 24. So what are these? From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are our called counting numbers. These are our called counting numbers. And I have multiplied these counting numbers by 4 to get its product. And these products are nothing but the multiples of 4. So multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. So in the same way, we have to find it's the first 5 multiples of 13. So here we are talking about the first 5 multiples. It means you have to write the table of 13 from 1 to 5. First 5 means 1 to 5. So first 5 multiples we have to write off 13. So first multiple is 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. Second multiple, third multiple is 39, 13 threes are 39. Fourth multiple is 13 fours are 54, 52, and fifth multiple is 13 fives are 65. So these are the all first 5 multiples of 13, and then you have to write its answer like this: 13, 26, 39, 52, 65 are the first 5 multiples of 13. In the same way, you can find the multiples of any number. So now we will learn how to find the missing multiples. Whenever you are finding the missing multiples, what you can do, if you are getting confused that uh, if you are not able to identify the table, so what you can do like this: if I know very well this is the table of 6, but if you don't know, what you can do, you can subtract you can see the pattern 6, 12, and 18. What I will do, I will subtract the bigger number with the smaller number. You have to subtract the second number with the first number. Then you have, if you will subtract 12 minus 6, this will give you 6. If you will subtract 12 minus 6, this will give you 6. So again, I want to check one more time. Again, I have to subtract the bigger number 18 minus 12. So when you will subtract 18 minus 12, this will give you 6. So what you are getting every time? 6. So it means that there is a gap of 6. So it means that it is a table of 6. That's why the next number you can find like this. This is 6 plus 6, 12. 6 plus 12 plus 6 is 18. And 18 plus 6, this will give you 24. And next number is 24 plus 6, this will give you 30. Or if you know the table of 6, then you can write directly. And if you don't know, if you are getting confused, then which table is this? So you can subtract the bigger number with the smaller number to check its gaps. You will get a gap of the numbers same every time. Then you will be able to identify that this is the table of this number, right? Similarly, in the second example, you can see that dash 6, 9, 12, dash, dash, 21. Now we have to find its missing multiples. I know very well that it is a table of 3, but I want to check that which table is this. So I have to subtract 9 minus 6, and I know that 9 minus 6 is 3 only. And now again I have to subtract 12 minus 9, so that I want to get, I'll be confirmed that it is a table of 3 only. So 12 minus 9 is again 3. So it is giving me a gap of 3. So it means it is a table of 3 only. So this would be 3, 6, 9, 12, and again it would be 15. Then it would be 18. And if you will check the gap between 15 and 12, this will give you 3 only. If you will check the gap between 18 and 15, this will give you 3 only. Between 21 and 18, this will give you 3. So every time you are getting the gap of 3, it means that it is a table of 3 only. So now let's move ahead to the next example, that is dash 24, 36, 48, and 16. Now this is very tough to identify which table is this. So there is no problem. I can do it like this. I can check the gaps between the numbers. So 36 minus 12. 36 minus 24. This will give you 12. So I need to check one more time. So I want to check this number. 60 minus 48. So if I'll check 60 minus 48, this will give you 12. Right? So it means that I can able to identify that this is the nothing but it is a table of 12 only. So I can directly write 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, and 12 six are 72. And in the next one, what we can do, this is 40 and this is dash comma 40 comma dash is 100. So I know very well this is the table of 10 only, because every time I'm getting the 0 at the last. So this would be 20, 10, so this would be table of 20. So this will give you 20, 2s are 40, 23s are 60, 24s are 80, and 25s are 100. So this will give you the multiples of the given numbers, right? So this was all about the multiples. You can find the answers of the missing multiples like this. Thank you.